everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage style farmhouse decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage style farmhouse decor is a warm, nostalgic decorating style that beautifully blends old-fashioned charm with rustic simplicity. It celebrates the past through time-worn treasures, natural materials, and cozy lived-in comfort. Core ideas: vintage farmhouse decor combines vintage, aged or antique pieces with farmhouse, country or rustic charm. The goal is to make a home feel inviting, authentic, and filled with character, as though generations have lived and loved there. Key elements: antique and reclaimed items, old wooden furniture, ornate doors, enamel pictures, tin sign, and iron bed frames, in theme with a sense of history. Use natural materials, use of oak, stone, linen, cotton, jute, and metal. Imperfections like tip, paint, or foam edged adds beauty. Neutral color palette. Use soft white, creams, teal, muted grays, and earthy tones. Create a calm, timeless look. Distress finishes. Furniture with faded paint, patina, or sanded edged gives a lived-in vintage appeal. Mix of textures: rough wood, soft fabrics, smooth ceramics. The contrast creates warmth and depth. Signature pieces: wooden farmhouse tables and apron shelves, mason jars and enamel art, wicker baskets and galvanized tubs. Use vintage clocks, mirrors, or window frames. Antique trunks or dressers repurposed as decor. Decor accents: floral or gingham fabrics for cushions and curtains. Handmade crafts or repurposed DIY pieces. Use old photos, books, or vintage signet for personality. Use candles and soft lighting for a cozy glow. Atmosphere: the mood is peaceful, nostalgic, and heartfelt. It feels like stepping into a country home filled with memories, where simplicity and comfort matter more than perfection. Vintage farmhouse decor is all about embracing the past, celebrating rustic beauty, and creating a home that feels timeless, cozy, and full of soul. Here are more beautiful and practical tips to help you create that vintage farmhouse decor feel in your home. Use reclaimed wood, add open shelving or a rustic coffee table made from old barn wood or reclaimed timber. A distressed wooden wall or ceiling beams instantly adds farmhouse warmth. Create cozy lighting. Use lantern stand lamps, mason jar lights, or iron candlelights. Warm yellow bulbs and candles create a soft, nostalgic glow. Decorate with everyday farm items, charred milk jugs, tin buckets, and wooden crafts into decor. A vintage watering can with flowers or a basket with rolled linen towels can be both pretty and useful. At vintage textiles, use lace, ticking straps, gingham, or floral prints in cushions, curtains, and tablecloths. Layer throw blankets on chairs on the bed for warmth and charm. Mix old and new. Balance East pieces with modern farmhouse simplicity. For example, an antique dresser beside a clean lined sofa creates a perfect blend. Tell a story with decor. Display family heirlooms, vintage clocks, or old photographs. Create a gallery wall with antique frames, mirrors, and rustic sign. Bring nature indoors. Decorate with dried flowers, potted herbs, with bundles or wildflowers. Use natural materials like wicker, linen, and jute to keep the space organic. Style the kitchen the farmhouse way. Keep open shelves with white ceramic dishes or messengers for chai cups. Add windows, canisters, wooden cutting boards, and iron hooks for utensils. Upcycled and repurposed. Turn an old ladder into a blanket rack or a crutch into a coffee table. Give new life to old furniture with chalk paint and distressing. Add a touch of imperfection. Don't over polish. Let things look naturally aged. A chipped vase or wooden frame adds authenticity and soul. Layer with history. Combine pieces from different eras like a 1920s mirror, a rustic wooden lens, and an antique clock. The beauty of vintage farmhouse decor lies in how each piece feels like it carries a story. Add time-worn charm. Let furniture show faded paint, cracks, or scratches. Use chalk paint or lime wash to create that soft, powdery, aged look on tables, cabinets, or picture frames. Create a gathering corner. Arrange a cozy nook with a rocking chair, knitted throw, and windows reading lamp. Place a basket of old books or dried flowers nearby. It feels like a quiet country afternoon. Use soft muted colors. Mix creamy whites with greens, antique blues, soft glass, and warm beige. The tones mimics the peacefulness of countryside life and highlight rustic wood tones. Embrace handmade details, crochet table runners, hand-stitched cushions, or linen napkins. Add gentle warmth. Display handmade crafts. They celebrate authenticity and human touch. Reflect light with windows mirrors and antique mirrors with platinum frames to reflect natural light. The slight echoing of the glass adds charm and softness to the room. Add farmhouse greenery. Use lavender, rosemary, or eucalyptus in simple ceramic pictures or metallic pails. Dried herbs and flowers bring subtle fragrance and nostalgic beauty. Keep a storage rustic. Replace modern baskets with wicker, galvanized metal, or wooden crates. Label them with handwritten or painted sign for that authentic farm feel. Change decor seasonally. In spring, use wildflowers and light linens. In autumn, use pumpkins with stalks and plate. In winter, use pine cones, candles, and cozy nets. Keeping it seasonal keeps your space alive and soulful. Use old finds creatively. Turn an antique tool into a headboard, a window frame into a wall art, or a vintage drawer into a planter box. Renovation is at the heart of farmhouse decor. Let imperfection shine. Don't hide small cracks, chipped paint, or faded fabrics. They tell stories of life and love. True vintage farmhouse beauty is found in the charm of perfection. It feels human, real, and comforting. Reclaim the past, use old window frames as wall art or photo displays, and create botanical greens or sepia family portraits to add emotion and nostalgia. Add soulful scents like vanilla, lavender, cinnamon, or fresh linen can instantly make your home feel cozy and welcoming. Use like candles, dried herbs, or oil diffusers in simple messengers or ceramic posts. Create a market look. Style your kitchen with our baskets, bedboards, glass jars, and animal bowls. Add a vase of fresh daisies or dried fruit stalks for a simple, firm, fresh touch. Mix metal gracefully, combine brushed brass, iron, or galvanized steel. Not too shiny, just slightly edged. A hint of metal adds structure and contrast to softer the pictures. Embrace storytelling decor. Place out letters, books, postcards, or recipe cards in frames or under glass tops. Each piece should feel like a whisper from the past, intimate and beautiful. Use candlelight generously. Set candles on old trays, wooden shelves, or inside mansions. Candlelight softened everything. It creates the golden, beautiful glow of an old farmhouse evening. Add timeless farmhouse touches in the windows clock, display antique skills, or use dusty holes for aprons and hats. These small functions details make the space feel alive and used. Keep every corner inviting. Even a small nook can feel special with a windows chair, lace pillow, and a small vase of flowers. The goal: every space should invite you to rest, read, or remember. What vintage style farmhouse decor truly means. Vintage farmhouse decor is more than a decorating style. It is a way of inviting that honors simplicity, warmth, and memory. It is about creating a space that feels beautiful, welcoming, and filled with stories from the past. It reminds us of slow days, the scent of bread baking, the sound of wooden floors, the softness of sunlight filtering through lace curtains. Every detail carries emotion, history, and authenticity. The philosophy behind the style: simplicity over perfection. Nothing is too fancy or over-polished. Every item has purpose and soul. Heart of the trends, vintage farmhouse decor celebrate the sentimental value. Horse passed down or lovingly found. Nature at home, the textures, colors, and materials echo the countryside. Old cotton, linen, and stone. Comfort first. Spaces are cozy, not cold. Every chair invites you to sit. Every table invites you to gather. Emotional atmosphere. A true vintage farmhouse home feels like a hug in physical form. It invites you to breathe, to remember, to slow down. Even cottages styles beautifully. It never feels decorated. It feels lived in. Every scratch on the table, every faded book, spine tells a story of love, use, and life. It is a home that whispers, "You belong here." Why people love it? It is calming in a noisy world. It is authentic in a time of mass production. It is romantic. Every piece feels personal and full of memory. And most of all, it feels like home no matter where you live. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel